Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to sign out of your Microsoft Office 365 Teams account on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application itself. In the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you how to sign into the account. In this tutorial, we are looking to sign out, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to the application, Microsoft Teams, make sure you are signed into the account, and now let that load. We will now be signing out of the admin account. So let's just go through the introduction, click on X, and now go to the right top corner of the screen, sign out. And there we go. We have now been signed out of the account. We can now quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.